it to me, please.
Miss Oreo. It's so beautiful. It's creepy. Ugh. Oreo, when we finish, you have to do this. Oreo, come on, burp. Come on, Oreo, you finish eating.